Hello folks, welcome you to the Tools Hub. Today, we're diving into a world where tools and inventions push the limits of human creativity. Get ready to be inspired, let's jump right in. Sometimes, it's all about perspective. Looking at a process from a different angle can make it surprisingly fascinating. Rediscover woodworking through a modern lens. Precision meets innovation, allowing this machine to create magic from raw wood. These clocks are more than just for telling time. They transform your workspace into a place of elegance and creativity. With a special rotating tool, even ordinary bushes become beautiful masterpieces. Not sure about this method of watering your plants? It works, but don't be surprised if you get distracted by some tempting snacks. Say hello to the new generation of screwdrivers. Tools make work easier and take safety and efficiency to a new level. This compactor gets the job done fast. But don't expect to stand still afterward. Your feet may still be dancing. Fire and workers, two things everyone loves to see. Luckily, this scene has both. Say goodbye to lifting heavy objects up and down stairs. This smart assistant helps you move furniture and bulky objects with ease. Enjoy your tea to the last drop without worrying about the leaves. Taste and convenience have never been so perfect together. Imagine the time and effort saved with this trench cement pourer. This is every construction contractor's dream assistant. Tying a hook used to be a hassle, but not anymore. With this tool, you can skip the hassle and enjoy the fun of fishing. This tool isn't just for beginners. Veteran gardeners love the way it makes clean, sharp cuts with ease. When smart machines do the work, humans just watch. Everything works so seamlessly that it will leave you in awe. With the right equipment, drilling becomes smooth and precise. It's not just a tool, it's your secret weapon. Your knees will thank you for using this device. It helps you work for long hours comfortably, without getting tired like before. If cables and wires are part of your daily routine, this device is an indispensable assistant. Say goodbye to hassle and hello to higher efficiency. Copper pipe soldering just got smarter. This cooled handheld solder makes speed and precision easy. Don't let your television stop you from enjoying more awesome videos like this. Grab your phone. Thought washing dishes was just for you? Not anymore. This green friend will help you tackle the pile of dishes, making cleaning a breeze. Mastery turns even the most massive machines into precision instruments. What you see here is raw power guided by talent, creating something extraordinary. Tired of stubborn weeds growing between your tiles? Here's the ultimate solution to get rid of them once and for all. Let the images speak for themselves. Look closely and let the beauty of the process tell its own story. Precision and power in one. This circular saw cuts wood with ease, with an adjustable lever for quick and convenient setup. If you want vineyard-level grapes at home, this gadget is your best friend. It keeps every bunch firm, full, and picture-ready. Who says wall cleaning has to be messy and loud? Meet the cleanup hero that works so quietly, even your cat won't notice the difference. Let the machine do the rest. With this level of automation, all you have to do is watch. This compact tripod flashlight is surprisingly versatile. Trust me, you'll find countless ways to use it. Removing baseboards used to be a pain. Now, with the right tools, you can do it easily and effortlessly. No more sliding tiles or misaligned edges. With this device, tiling corners becomes extremely simple. This powerful metal vise makes quick work of your work. Tremendous pressure delivers unquestionable results. Creating intricate wood patterns like this? It's not just a skill, it's an art form for those who love working with their hands. Each tooth is a masterpiece of engineering. This is not just craftsmanship, but the future of precision tools. From round nuts to odd sizes, this tool handles it all. A reliable companion for every job, what more could you ask for? The future is here. Robots do all the heavy lifting, and we just relax and watch them get everything done. When imagination combines with solid craftsmanship, the result is amazing creations like this. Look closely, and you will feel the impressive power of this device. With high accuracy and convenience, this tool is the solution to a series of problems. Easy to use, sturdy and safe. A stapler is a must-have in your toolbox. Tube not the right size? No problem. It can still be adjusted to fit perfectly. Another example of clever innovation. When creativity and attention to detail combine, a mini fan can also become a focal point. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.